this is safe. Do it all the time, man. Chill, act cool. All right. Hey, Mike. I don't know about this, man. I'm going out on a limb here, man. You don't have the stones for this. You definitely don't have them for the rest of your story. Okay.
Who let the press in?
Kid's our witness.
The witness is taking notes, huh? Interesting. Alex, what do we have here? That you've written about my department.
Oh, right. The story on the false positives at the CSI lab a few years back. Hit below the belt. I was green.
Weren't we all?
Well, I've learned a lot since then. So, you have any idea what caliber bullet was used? What did you find?
I believe that this is your pen cap, isn't it? When did you have time to take notes?
After I called the police.
Oh, really? Was Mike still alive?
Of course not. What do you think I am?
I think that you are a man in search of a story.
Дичерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами. 22 часот и 15 минути.